بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على خير المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Madame Bennis, Monsieur Tupa, c'est avec un immense plaisir que nous vous accueillons aujourd'hui au sein du musée du groupe scolaire Al-Arechi. Au début de cette année scolaire, nous avons mis en place un concept pédagogique innovant utilisant le musée du groupe scolaire Al-Arechi comme outil pédagogique et didactique. Aujourd'hui, nous entamons pour la première fois la mise en voie de ce concept que nous avons intitulé « La voie des racines et des ailes » et qui représente pour nous une occasion précieuse de partager et de célébrer le patrimoine marocain. La voie des racines et des ailes qui représente pour nous une occasion précieuse de partager et de célébrer le patrimoine national. À travers la voie des racines et des ailes, nous nous efforçons de tisser des liens solides avec le passé et le futur. Entre la tradition et l'innovation, nous croyons fermement que l'éducation doit non seulement transmettre des connaissances, mais aussi cultiver des valeurs et éveiller des passions. Aujourd'hui, nous allons découvrir avec nos élèves qui vont explorer et honorer le riche patrimoine marocain tout en développant leurs compétences et leur créativité. Leur travail sur les différentes facettes de notre culture nationale, du costume marocain aux bijoux berbères, à la broderie, en passant par les instruments de musique, illustre parfaitement notre vision d'une éducation complète et enrichissante. Nous espérons que votre visite vous permettra de voir à quel point notre concept, la voie des racines et des ailes, s'incarne dans chaque projet, dans chaque apprentissage et surtout dans chaque sourire et chaque étincelle dans les yeux de nos élèves. Encore une fois, nous vous remercions chaleureusement pour votre présence et votre soutien. Comme nous remercions les enseignantes pour les efforts qu'elles ont fournis avec abnégation et bienveillance durant toute l'année. Nous sommes impatients de partager avec vous les fruits de notre travail et de nos aspirations. Et marhaban wa ahlan wa sahlan. Donc nous allons passer le programme. Alors, Loulida sera dans le travail.
Roots and Wings, an innovative pedagogical concept. The Roots and Wings concept. This innovative pedagogical concept is the result of extensive reflection at Groupe Scolaire Al-Arechi. It is based on philosophical, pedagogical, and scientific principles. Roots that enable our students, through cultural heritage, to feel grounded in their origins, their culture, to trust themselves and to assert their identity. Understanding the importance of one's roots can be of great assistance, as it will facilitate the process of self-awareness and promote personal growth.
Wings, meaning the ability to use digital and robotic tools to assert oneself, evolve, be autonomous, active, creative, and fully flourish in order to access and contribute to 21st century life. Communication, collaboration, creativity, critical thinking, computer literacy, problem solving.
Discovering the educational objectives through the discovery and study of museums objects, understanding our cultural heritage to structure the cultural identity of our students, developing their sense of observation, awakening them to artistic and cultural forms through the objects of the Museum of Group Scolaire Narration, developing their creativity, enriching their vocabulary and improving their written and oral expressions, preparing them to collaborate with others and to live better together, putting them in problem-solving situations, developing their critical thinking.
Morocco is a country rich in culture and traditions, and its traditional costumes reflect this diversity. Here is an overview of the main traditional Moroccan costumes.
Jillaba, a long, loose robe with a hood, often made of wool or cotton. It is worn throughout Morocco for both everyday and special occasions. Babouches or bilgha, soft leather shoes, often colorful and decorated that complement traditional attire.
Gandora, a lightweight, sleeveless tunic, often worn the jalaba or alone in hot weather.
Kaftan. While more common among women, men also wear simpler versions of kaftan for special occasions.
Kaftan, a long elegant dress, often adorned with embroidery and pearls. It is worn for ceremonies such as weddings and festivals.
Tsksheta, a more complex version of the kaftan, consisting of two pieces, a simple underdress and a more ornate outer dress.
Jillaba, similar to the men's version, but often more decorated for women. Babouches, traditional shoes similar to those worn by men, but often more decorated.
Haik, a large piece of white fabric that women wrap around themselves when going out, especially in rural areas.
Berber jewelry, often made of silver with intricate patterns and colorful stones.
Belts. Women often wear embroidered or jewels adorned belts to complete their outfits. Scarves and veils. Women also use scarves to cover their hair or for cultural and religious reasons. Costumes of fez, meknes, rabats, chitwan, known of their luxuries, kaftans and fine embroidery.
Costumes of the reef, characterized by colorful fabrics and geometric patterns.
Costumes of Southern Morocco South. These costumes are not just clothing, but also symbols of identity and culture. Passed down from generation to generation, they reflect the diversity and the richness of Moroccan heritage.
Mlahfa is a traditional garment worn by women in the Sahara. It is a large rectangular piece of fabric, often colorful and decorated with patterns, wrapped around the body and sometimes over the head.
It generally covers the entire body, providing protection from the sun and a measure of modesty according to local cultural norms. Besides its practical function, the mlafa can also symbolize cultural identity and tradition. In the desert, men often wear duras and women malhifas, life veils for sun protection.